Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change date and time zone on iPhone 13, 14, 15 and 16 series. So let's start the video. So friends, to change the date and time on iPhone, first open the settings application. On the settings application, scroll down a little bit and here you'll see general option. Tap on it. On the general option, scroll down and tap on date and time. Under the date and time, turn off set automatically, then tap time zone. You can now search for and select your desired time zone by typing in the name of a city within that time zone. After selecting the correct time zone, your iPhone will update the time accordingly. Now tap on the date to change the date and time. Set your current date. After setting the date, then tap on time at the bottom right. And here you can change your time.